In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Clone Yourself collage. You should have already taken 15 photographs with the tripod set in the same position and you or one of your friends moving around in the landscape to different positions in the foreground, middle ground, and background. So go through your 15 images and pull 4 out that you think will work well together and open them in Photoshop. So you can see I have 4 tabs open here, up here by the menu bar. So I'm going to go through those and make sure that they're not overlapping in a way that's going to conflict with each other. So the first image looks great, Julia sitting in the foreground on a large rock. The next image, Julia in the background, so far no problems with overlapping. The third one, Julia on a rock to the side, no problem. But the last one, I can see that this version of Julia and the first version of Julia will be overlapping with each other. So between those two, I actually like this one better. So I'm going to go back to this one and close it. You should have 4 images. Unfortunately, there weren't any other images to choose from, so I'm going to have to use 3 for this example, but you should use 4 in your finished project. So next thing that I'm going to do is put all of these images together in one document. So I'm randomly choosing this one to be my main document. I'm going to take the tab on the second image, drag it to the side. With the Move tool and holding down Shift on the keyboard, I'm going to click this image and drag it to my background document. By holding down Shift, I'm making this image snap to align with the original image. So I'm going to close that, get the last image, pull the tab to the side, hold down Shift on the keyboard, move it with the Move tool, and close this. So if I look over here in my Layers panel, I have all 3 images in one document. So the next step is to cut away parts of the image so that you can reveal the images behind it. You could do this a couple of different ways. You could use the polygonal lasso tool, you could use the rectangular marquee tool, and there's probably other ways that you could accomplish it too. I'm going to choose to use the rectangular marquee tool. So with my first image selected here in the Layers panel, I'm going to turn off the eyeball and see where the next image is. So it's Julia standing at the corner of the building between the 2 trees. So I'm just going to estimate approximately right here, draw a box around this part of the image and hit delete. And that looks great. So on the keyboard I'm going to push Control D to deselect, and I'm going to turn off the eyeball on the middle layer and estimate approximately where I need to cut that image. So I'm going to click on the middle layer, get the marquee tool, and draw a box and hit delete. So that worked out great. If I had made a mistake, I could just push Control Z, which is undo, and try again. So Control D is deselect. So this image is now finished. I can save this as a JPEG and put it on my web portfolio, and it's finished. That's it for now.